For the first time ever, retail payment transactions in Pakistan have crossed the 2 billion mark in a single quarter. According to the State Bank of Pakistan's latest payment system review, over 2.14 billion transactions were recorded between October and December 2024, an 11% increase compared to the previous quarter. The total value of these transactions rose by 12%, reaching 154 trillion rupees. This growth was largely driven by mobile banking apps, internet banking, and over-the-counter transactions at public branches. Digital platforms accounted for the vast majority of these payments. Out of all retail transactions, 88% or 1.88 billion were made via digital channels. The remaining 12%, around 263 million transactions, were done over the counter. However, when measured by value, digital channels contributed 29% of total retail payments, or 45 trillion rupees, while over-the-counter channels still dominated with 109 trillion rupees, accounting for 71%. Mobile banking continues to be the leading force behind Pakistan's shift to a cashless economy. It handled 1.45 billion transactions worth 24 trillion rupees during the quarter, up 13% in volume and 28% in value. According to the central bank, mobile banking now makes up 77% of digital transactions by volume and 53% by value. Meanwhile, RAST, the country's instant payment system, also saw rapid adoption. Person-to-person transactions on RAST rose 50% to 294 million, with a transaction value of 6.1 trillion rupees, up 32% from the previous quarter. The country's 19,500 ATMs facilitated 259 million transactions worth 4.3 trillion rupees. On average, each ATM handled 144 transactions per day with an average value of 16,400 rupees. E-commerce activity also saw strong growth. Online payments jumped 30% in volume to reach 152 million transactions, with their total value rising 32% to 192 billion rupees. Large value settlements through Pakistan's real-time gross settlement system reached 300 trillion rupees, a 19% increase over the previous quarter. The State Bank says Pakistan's shift toward digital payments is being powered by its strategic push and close collaboration with banks, fintech companies, and payment service providers. As digital adoption grows, the central bank says it remains committed to expanding financial inclusion and improving payment efficiency across the economy.